the heart of the wild, survival isn't just about strength, it's about strategy. This leopard made one crucial decision: climb. Below, a lion, stronger, heavier, and the king of the savannah. But kings don't climb. Leopards are built for stealth, silent paws, sharp claws. And trees, their fortress. While the lion scans the ground, the leopard disappears into the canopy, watching, waiting. One mistake down here, and it's over. But up there, the leopard holds the high ground. In the wild, survival isn't about fighting harder, it's about knowing when to vanish.